Hello guys, welcome back. Today's Tuesday, it's the webinar day. But before we go to the webinar, I want to disclose the CPI. We have Europe CPI just in a couple hours, or maybe in a few minutes. It depends what time the video will go out today. But there's a big thing here, right? We've seen euro-dollar raising pretty quick since the opening on Monday yesterday. And I've mentioned that the opening was a bit hectic. You know, the US dollar just hit the all-time lows. If I'm not wrong, let me just check again. Sorry, 7-month low with the rate cuts coming from the Fed. So pretty interesting how the market is reacting, and very bearish in a sense for the US dollar. So euro is getting up on the back of the greenback. So still very strong for the Europe and very weak for the US dollar. And just to have even more strength for the Europe, we do have at 7 p.m. tonight the CPI and the core CPI. So CPI year over year for the month of July last year, 2023 to July this year. We have core CPI year over year, July as well, and we have the CPI month over month. All right, all of them at 7 p.m. The consensus for the CPI year over year is at 2.6% from the previous of 2.5%. The core CPI year over year is expected to have no changes at 2.9%, and the CPI month over month is expected to decline from 0.2% to 0%. All right. So pretty much we do have some sort of mixed data here from the CPI year over year. We're expecting a 0.1% increase, but then on the month over month we're expecting a decrease from 0.2% to 0.0%, and for the core CPI over year we're expecting no changes. Well, there are some things that I want to point out here, right? When we have something that it's too mixed, the market takes time to react to it. But if we have, let's say, the CPI or even the core CPI higher than expected, higher than 2.9%, then most probably we will have an even more strong euro, and we will probably going to be looking at euro-dollar trading at 1.105. Okay, right now we have euro-dollar trading, 1.115. Right now we have euro-dollar trading at 1.1073. So it is a big rally since 9 of August, pretty much beginning of this month. We've seen euro-dollar, having a very big movement all the way down from 107.88 now all the way up to 108.30, and then now coming down to 107.31. So a pretty big move. I'm expecting to have a bit of a pullback, probably coming at 103.70. So most probably we will see euro-dollar retracing back. All right, guys. Tonight we're gonna have the webinar from 5 to 6 p.m. in Australia time. And if you want to know how to trade better CPI, then we will await you there. And you know the drill. Like, you can ask me questions, you can send me the questions live, and I will reply to you in a live chat. All right, guys. I hope everyone is having a beautiful week so far. Just 2 days, but remember we still have 3 days ahead: Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Don't forget that we do have FOMC minutes, and this will be definitely very important. Just yesterday we had some expectations for Federal Reserve to cut the rates. So it's going to be very interesting to see the FOMC from 31st of July, FOMC minutes from the 31st of July meeting. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tonight. Easy to register. Just register down in the description of this video. You can find the link for the registration page. And I'll see you tonight. All right, guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye.